Hi, today we're going to be talking about this guy right here. It's the OBET B66 Weather Station, and it's really cool. It's got a 7-inch display and 3 sensors that you can scatter around throughout your house or outside, whatever you'd like. The sensors look like this, it's the size of the palm of my hand, and it uses two AA batteries, and you can pretty much put those anywhere within 500 feet of the base station, and it will send its readings over to the base station. Speaking of the base station, this is what it looks like. Very easy to read, large display, 7 inches. It runs on batteries or can also run off of power, which USB power, which is what I've got right here. I just have it plugged into a USB port, and it has a dimmer on top, so you can dim it or turn it off. Whenever it's on battery power, it will turn off after 10 seconds to save battery life. But I plan on keeping it plugged in continuously into my USB port here in the office. So far, the sensors look very accurate. I've put them upstairs around the house a little bit, and it looks like they've been up maybe 10 minutes now, and now everything's kind of settled down, and the sensor readings look accurate. It has a forecast. I don't know if you can see that right there, forecast and barometric pressure. The forecast works off the barometric pressure, and I believe it calculates in or factors in the well, I don't know if it takes in the outdoor temperatures or not, but the barometric pressure changes, and it will update over a period of time what the expected change in the weather would be. It's works really well. I'm very happy with it, and I just thought I would put this out there for you guys to see how it worked and see what it looked like in person. And I think it'll be a great buy for you if you're looking for a little workstation or weather station, not a workstation, but a weather station. Thanks a lot. Bye.